Okay, so this is an example from our books. It's on page 209, and we'll call it example 4. It's a basically finding percent change. So finding percent change is actually a little bit easier than finding how much it changed. And I know that sounds like the same thing. So before I start, I'm just going to write the information that's given to us in the text up here, and then we'll talk about the actual question. So the original price of a book in 2003 was $12. So in 2003, the book cost $12. In 2005, the price of the same book increased to $15. So now it's $15. And we want to make this sound technical, but it's actually very simple. In 2007, the price of the book was $3 more than the price of the book in 2005. So it went up $3 from 2005, and in 2007, the book is now $18. And something to notice is that it goes up $3 each time. And we're basically, the question we want to know is how much percent change from 2003 to 2005, and we also want to know the percent change from 2005 to 2007. And you'd say, well, it went up $3 both times, so the percent change is the same. But in fact, it's different because the base will change. In 2003, the base is 12, and in 2005, the base is 15, which changes the ultimate percentage that's happening. And this is a very simple problem if you think about it as 3 is what percent of 12. To find the percent of something, we want to know the percent that the price increased. So we want to know what what percent 3 is of 12. And the way we do that is we find let me write that over here. The increase divided by the original times 100 over 1. This is going to give me a fraction, and to change a fraction to percent, we multiply by 100. So our increase was $3. Our original was $12. So we take 3 times 12, or 3 divided by 12, times 100 over 1. And we're savvy, so we know that 3 divided by 12 is the same thing as 1/4. So we're going to do 1/4 times 100 over 1. And we're still savvy, so we're going to say, well, the 4 can cancel out with the 100. 4 goes into 100 25 times. So the increase will be 25% from 2003 to 2005. To find the percent increase from 2005, which was $15, to 2007, which was $18, we do the same thing. Well, it increased by $3. So if it increased by $3, we take the increase, 3 divided by our original price, which was 18. And we're going to multiply that by 100 over 1. 3 divided by 15, well, we know that's fraction is 1/5. So we're actually doing 1/5 times 100 over 1, which we can do quite easily, as 5 goes into 100 20 times. So this is equal to 20% increase. Now, alternatively, and I want to give you an alternative, instead, when we have 3/12 times 100 over 1, I just want to point out that we can still solve that by using long division. We can say 3 times 100 is 300 divided by 12 times 1, which is 12. Okay? And I've been trying to, in class, use long division a lot because we're just not very good at it. So let's do how many times does 12 go into 300? And we're going to do our little fancy dividing by parts thing. So 12 goes into 30. Even if you didn't know per se that the answer is 2 times 12 goes into 32 times, you could still get this right, but we're going to do 2. 2 times 12 is 24. And we have one digit to make up, so we're going to put a 0 there. So it's actually 20. 20 times 12 is 240. Subtract that, I have 60 left. 12 times what is 60? Well, the answer is 5. Subtract, we get 0. Right here, we add them up, we get 25, and that is percentage. Okay, same thing can be done with the 1/5. We have 3 over 15 times 100 over 1. Well, that's equal to 300 divided by 15, which is a little simpler because we know 15 goes into 30, but let's pretend like we're not that smart. So 15, 300. 15 goes into 30 twice. That's 30, and an extra 0. Oh, that was one step. 20%. Yeah.